Oops. Happy day 829 of What You Up To Now. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here with my forgotten video. I just went to process my videos before my 4-year-old granddaughter gets here, and I realized that I had forgotten to make this video today. I did a video for the Get Up and Go Challenge, which I decided is starting Monday, May 11th, and I forgot to do this video because I did that one instead, and it made me think that I was done with my videos already for today. So what am I working on? Coming up smelling like a rose was the Supersize Your Business idiom today, and it's actually a really good topic because I was able to talk about how do you make sure, how do you guarantee that you are going to be better off after the COVID-19 pandemic than you were a couple of months ago, than you were before. How are you going to make sure, and I went through the steps of how you do that, step 1, step 2, step 3, and I added a bonus step as well to guarantee that you and I are better off than when this whole crazy mixed up world thing started. And we absolutely positively can make that happen in our lives and in our businesses, no matter who you are, no matter what you are, no matter what your current and previous situation was. So talked about that. Did a Get Up and Go introduction for, and it's really lame, I admit it, but I don't script things. I think one of the lessons that I'm learning is I need to start planning out and scripting what I'm gonna say, and maybe actually practice before I say it online. I haven't gotten to that point yet. I am a off the cuffer. I probably should have been an improv, but I never thought of myself as funny. But I do a lot of improv in my videos for personal reasons, because of my vision. I can't script things out and have them where I can read them off the screen. It doesn't work for me. I have to just kind of, see my eyes go up and down and all over the place because I have to think about what it is that I'm going to say, and that's me accessing my memory so that I remember what I'm going to talk about and what I'm going to say. But I would like to find a way to practice and to be more polished and perfected in my communication skills and in my communication style. But anyway, Monday, May 11th will be the beginning of a short 5-day main Get Up and Go challenge. It'll be a 5-day challenge, but it'll probably go a few days beyond with some bonus days and some bonus content and things, because that seems to be the way of the future, or the way that people are doing it nowadays. Me, I like the 30-day challenges, but a lot of people feel nervous committing to 30 days. And I was just reminded by my son that I don't think like most people, so I have to remember how other people think and not just think how I think. And I love 30-day challenges because it gives me enough time to really practice a new skill and really make it my own. But a lot of people have trouble committing to something for a day or two, much less 30 days. And I was reminded of that. Thank you very much, my son. But it's hard for me to realize we all forget that other people don't think like us. So I totally forgot to do this video today. I want to apologize. I will do a much better job tomorrow. I want you to have an awesome day. If I can help you in any way with challenges, with obstacles, with ensuring that you are better off as we come out of COVID-19 than you were when you came into it, just ask me in the comments below. I'm here to help. Have an amazing day, and I will of course be with you tomorrow with day 830 of What You Up To Now. Just sharing my journey as I transition from the brick and mortar world of business, corporate America, over a quarter century, and 47 years in different businesses, at least 27 different industries and different businesses I've been in. So this is actually, I shouldn't admit it, but a fun global event for me to watch, to see how things are shaking out in the different industries that I have been a part of and that I haven't been a part of. It's fun to watch the whole world go through this and unfold. Now, if I were in a worse situation, I probably wouldn't think it was fun to watch, but right now I'm really enjoying the experience of learning as the whole world goes through transition and change. Anyway, have an awesome day. If I can help you in any way, please ask, and I'll be with you tomorrow. Bye.